and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we will discuss about the strings. So in our previous videos we have discussed about the data types like integer, float, double, char, long, short, like that. And string is also a data type, you can say that. In the string you can store any type of data. Like I type here string str equals to, and string is always written within two quotations like this. You can write anything here. You can write the numbers, you can write the characters, you can write the special symbols, you can write anything in the string. So this is the format of the string. You can also create the string by using the string class. I type here string s equals to new string, and in the constructor you type your string you want to write like this. You can create these strings like that. I just remove the strings and type here the string. I type here my name is. This is the one string. Okay, I create another string here. String str2 equals to, and I type my name here, Ghulam Abbas, like this. Now these are these two strings. If I want to add the two strings, then I simply create a third variable, or I simply print the string. I create a third variable here. I type here string str3 equals to str plus str2, like this. And if I print the string on the screen like system.out.println, and I type here str3, and now if I run this program, you will see my name is Ghulam Abbas is printed on the screen. You can use the this plus operator to add the two strings. This operator is also called the concatenation. If I want to concatenate two strings, like I type here my name is, and I use the concatenate and I add another string here like this, and now if I run this program, you will see the same result. This is also called the concatenation. If I can also concatenate the integer value here, I can concatenate any type of value here. If I type here 78 like this, now if I run this program, you will see my name is 978 like this. You can also use this plus operator for the concatenation to concatenate two strings, to concatenate one string or one integer variable. You can concatenate any type of value by using this plus operator. Okay, so these are the fundamentals of the string. You can create a string like this, or you can create a string by using the string class basically. Okay, so there are some important methods in the string. So I remove these lines and add a string here. Like I type here string Java is everywhere like this. Okay, so now if I type here str dot, I have bunch of methods in the string class. I type here length, you can see length here. It will give me the length of this string. If I print the length like system.out.println, and I print the length of the string on the screen, and now if I run, you will see 19 on the screens. There are 19 characters in this string. This is the length method. And now I remove this method from here and type here str dot, then I type here character at. I give the specific index. If I want to check that which character is present at the 10th index, I type here 10, and now if I run this program, you will see E. You can see JAVA, and this space is also a character, and we get the E here. This is the 10th character in this string. This is the character at method. I remove this method, and if I want to convert this string to the uppercase, I type here str dot to uppercase, and now if I run this program, you will see whole the string is converted to the uppercase. Now I copy the string from here and paste this string here like this, and I type here dot str dot to lowercase, and now if I run this program, you will see all the characters in the string are converted to the lowercase. This is the case conversion methods to convert our string. And now, for example, I type another string here, string str2 equals to, I copy this upper string and paste it here like this, and I type here str2. Okay, so now str dot contains, I type here dot contains, I type here str2. Now if I run this program, you will see true on the screen, because I type here str dot contains, that the string str contains str2 or not. If contains, then it give me true. If not, then it give me false. If I remove is from here, in the second string I remove is. And now if I run this program, you will see false, because these strings are not equal. String is not present in this string basically. So this is the dot contains method. There are many methods in the string that we can use, and we will definitely use these methods in our future videos. Okay, so I'll move this method from here and use another method, dot index, index of. If I want to get the index of some character, I type here in double quotations w. For example, I want to find the index of the w in the str string, this one. And now if I run this program, you will get the 13. The w is present at the 13th index. So this is the index of method. Now index of method is the overloaded version. You can use the other version of this method also, like str dot index. You can see the index of. You can also get the index of the particular string like this. If I type here is like this, this is a string. So now if I run this program, you will see this string is present at the 5th index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th index. This is present at the 5th index. And in the same way, we have the method last index of, that will give us the index from the last of the string. So I hope you understand about the strings and some important methods in the string. There are many other methods in the string that we can use, and we will definitely explore all these methods when we will use in our future videos. So I hope you understand about the strings. That's it for this video. I will see you in next video.